Hello, good morning, traders and investors. Welcome back to our morning trading recommendations channel. Before we dive in, remember that everything we discuss here is purely for educational purpose. Make sure to do your own research or consult a financial expert before making any investment decisions. Let's starting off with the commodities market updates. Overnight, the soybean oil July month down 0.72 to 43.63. The Dalian most active farmer contract increased by 156 to 7800 on last Friday, the um, main session's closing. The Dalian market is closed today due to the Duanu festival and resuming tradings on tomorrow. Over in Malaysia, the palm oil futures experienced its second consecutive rise on Friday, following the upward trend in crude oil price despite ending the week with a loss. The futures contract CPO August month rose 15 points to close higher at 3975. The trader attentions now focus on the release of the MPOB monthly data on the June 10, which is today. Likely will be released on the noon sessions after the market close on the first sessions. A writer's pool suggests that the palm oil inventories at the end of the may reach 1.75 million metric tons, a slight increase of 0.39% from the April. Following the bearish performance of seaborne soy oil, the FCPO crude trade lowers. The price closed higher on the weekly with the green candle. However, the body turned shorter. Seems like the buying pressure is not holding strong. Okay, now we are turning to the hourly charts. With the price also closed below the 50 SMA, our anticipate will be higher potentially for the sideways movement with downside buyers. The daily chart seems forming downward channels from here to here. If you are looking closer on it, there's a downward channel here. Okay, and with the current price is at the top of the channels and likely to go down for the next. While the resistance range is seen at 3995 to 4000, while the support range is spotted at 3965 to 60 range. Also for FCPO, our recommendations on morning sessions with the short position may be open below 3995 with the target at 3962 to 3933 and a stop loss at 4025. Alternatively, long positions may be open below 3995 with the target at 4036 to 4050 and a stop loss at 3965. All right, now we are turning our focus to the index market update. Overnight, the Dow Jones down about 87 points to 38798. On Friday, the S&P 500 closed almost unchanged, reaching an all-time high during the day. Despite a job reports that surpassed expectations, throughout the week, the US stock recovered from the early pressure triggered by the Friday job reports, which caused the yields on the 10-year Treasury benchmark to increase by more than 15 basis points. In our local markets, the benchmark FPM Calcia Index ended Friday on a stronger note, buoyed by the optimistic investor sentiment and robust purchasing activity in stock related to commodities. The futures contract June month rose 2 points to close higher at 1618.5. Following the mixed performance of the US markets, the FKLI could trade some in the range bound. So for this morning sessions, we see the FKLI shares open lowers, tracking the declines in the overnight US market performance. The chart shows resisted at 1622 levels. The price seems to be contracting some in the consolidation range and indicating the points to work more on the downside. If you're looking at the hourly charts, higher probability of trading lowers, but traders may also cautious on the sentiment change. The resistance range is spotted at 1623 to 24, and the first upper range is 1617 to 1616. Next will be 1612 to 13. So for morning recommendations on FKI markets, our recommendation will be short positions open below 1618 with the target at 1615 to 10 and a stop loss at 1623. Alternatively, long positions may be open below 1618 with the target at 1622 to 27 and the stop loss at 1613. All right, that is our view on the morning sessions for the local market. As we rest up to the market indices, remember the market is ever changing and successful trading is required sizing positions and managing risk. Stay adaptable to the market shift and protect your capital, trade wisely. Wishing you all safe and successful trading days ahead. See you in the next sessions and happy trading.